Tell me a little about the car you have behind you.
The car behind me is a Nissan 370Z equipped with our 50-state legal twin-turbo kit with carb exemption number D873.
How many miles are on it?
Approximately 213,000 and counting. We bought this car with the intention of seeing what would happen if you bought a car with 200,000 miles and put a twin-turbo kit on it. Right after we put the kit on, with the vehicle being completely stock, no modifications, unopened engine, stock exhaust, which I think, like maybe inch and a half piping, like very small restrictive exhaust. The car managed to put down about 390 foot-pounds of torque and 390 horsepower on 91 pump gas. We decided to see what would happen if we upgraded the exhaust system. We installed a high-flow system and retested the car, and power went up to 420 horsepower and 410 foot-pounds of torque. And this is, again, all with pump gas, 91 octane, with no changes to the calibration, with all of the vehicle's emissions equipment in place. Kit installed as it is advertised.